One of the great things about starting your own farm and growing your own fruit trees from little babies is when they start to mature and they start to have their first fruit. Each year a different tree has its first fruit, and you don't get many, just a few, but it's a little reward for effort. This year, if I can get the fly bags off, this year, the first year, mangoes. Just two mangoes this year, but yum yum. 3 years in, fantastic crop of lemon. Quince, seen me cook these on my channel before. 3 years in, look at the size of these beauties. 2 years in, look how many pears are on this tree.